guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to hunt and hiking. This is our very first batch trip. First we went to the University of 𝗛𝗵𝘁 and got our breakfast. After the breakfast, we start our hiking. This environment is really beautiful. I have no words to explain this beauty. Some places are really hard to climb, so I couldn't even video in such hard places. Anyway, after few hours later, we could reach top of the mountain. This view is amazing. It was not easy to get down from the mountain. However, we successfully completed our journey. This is an experience I'll never forget. Finally, see you in another great day like this. Bye bye.
𝗛𝗵𝘁𝗵